Alright, so in this video I'm going to remove and reinstall the door lock actuator. So as you can see, when you pull on this handle, the door is supposed to open. It doesn't open. That's because the door lock actuator has a latch inside that when you pull on this handle, it's supposed to open the door. It's not doing it. Got that out of the way. Now let's proceed with taking these out. Alright. So now the door is, the panel, the inside panel is held to the frame of the door with some clips. And you have to disconnect, you have to pull on this panel. There we go. And then you have to lift it, push it upwards. Then these things can come out. And of course, you have the window control. Right, so next we have 3 screws on this side that we need to take out. Actually, before doing that, there is one 10mm screw here and another one here, which are holding the this is the glass window. It's a guide for the glass window. So we need to remove this too, so we can move this guide out of the way so we can pull on the door lock actuator. And the other one is right here. They're not the strongest screws, so I'm not sure I want to use the impact gun for that. So I'm going to go with the screwdriver. There we go. I already encountered the difficult one. I don't advise you to use the impact driver on these screws. They're not very good material, so you risk stripping the screws, and after that, it's the job is getting too complicated after that. So that's how you take it out. You probably won't be able to see it from there. You see this latch right here. That's the latch that you pull on when you open the door from the outside. And I don't know if you see that piece right there. You see that piece right there that is hanging down back there? They're supposed to connect to this latch right there. So for whatever reason, it got disconnected. Come on, man. So finally, we were able to get. Actually, that's wrong. Actually, that is very wrong. So I'm gonna pretend, I'm gonna simulate that the door is locked. Okay, so now if I pull on the handle, it should open the door. There we go. Now it's working. I believe this switch right here is to disable any passengers from being able to open the door from the inside. Like if you have a kid in the back seat, you won't be able to open the door. So for example, let's say that the door is closed, I can open it from inside, but if I lock the frame, let's go ahead and lock it again. If I lock it now, I won't be able to open it from inside. Okay? So that is what this switch is for, in case you're wondering. And so that's it. Let's put it back together. Let's put it back together. we're almost done. We're almost done. And finally, let's go ahead and test the door. Alright, so let's test the door to make sure that everything works. So I'm going to simulate locking the door. This is when you shut the door, it locks it right here. Alright, so let's open it from inside. Alright, it's open. So let's go ahead and test it from outside. Alright, so everything works.